In this video, we are going to be talking about how to optimize your Google My Business listing. If you have not set up a Google My Business account on Google, I think you should go ahead and do so, because you need to have a Google My Business account for you to be able to actually optimize it. Welcome to my channel. My name is Enorita James, where in this channel I teach you how to do your online business without any problems. I give you digital tips on how to ensure that you are successful in your online business. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and see how we can start optimizing our Google My Business listing. These are my two business profiles I have on my Google My Business, but the one we are going to be working on is the GNLD No Life Nigeria. So I'm going to click that, and then we are going to go to info. For this is where we are going to put all the basic information that you need to be able to optimize your Google My Business. First of all, ensure that your business name is something that you want to rank for. I want to rank for GNLD products, New Life products, Nigeria, USA, and most African countries. So this is my business name. So ensure that you have a business name that you want to rank for. If you want to edit it, you can just edit it. But remember that edits may be reviewed, and it can take up to 3 days before your edit is visible on search maps. So if you're editing this, just bear that in mind. So the next one is, in this section, you're going to add all the information that is needed here. So ensure that you add everything correct. You add your categories here. If you want to do that, you just click here. It takes you here where you can add a primary category and a secondary category. You can add as much as 5 categories. It all depends on you. Now for your service areas, you write the areas that you're going to be servicing. This is where I'm servicing with my online shop. So just enter all the areas you're going to be servicing. If you're only servicing Africa, just write the countries that you know you will be sending your supplies to. And then right here, you write your opening hours. Whatever you want to do, just click on this. Always click on the pencil icon. It takes you here to put any opening hours. Like if I want to remove Sunday, I just click here. It's removed. If I want it on, I put it on. If I want to change the hours, I click there and I can change the hours. So it's as simple as that. For online service hours, I still write the same thing here. Because it is online, I leave it at open for 24 hours. Now, special hours are for if you have a brick and mortar store. Like if you open, let's say from 8 to 4 p.m. and you want to change on particular days. Maybe you have days like Christmas or Easter or whatever, and you want to open shorter hours. That is when you use this particular section. But for me, I don't need it because my business is strictly online, so it's open 24 hours. Here, of course, put your number that people can contact you with. Here you put your shop or the website that you want people to be redirected to. You put it there. And then here you add your products. Like if I click on this, you'll see all the products I've already added to my Google My Business and all the categories of the different products that I have added. So let's go back. Now under products, you can just click here to add your product pictures, and the best dimension is normally 720 by 720 pixels, and that you can create using your Canva graphics. If you don't know how to use Canva, I will place a link under this video so that you can have an idea of how you can use Canva to create your graphics. If I click on these products right now, you can see that I've added a lot of products to my Google My Business page, products that has to do with my business. So let's go back to the info. Let me show you quickly how you can add your products. Once you're on this page, you just click on add product and this box comes out. Then of course you select the photo that you must have had on your desktop. And as I've told you, best dimensions is 720 by 720. Write your product name right there. Select the categories that you already have. If you don't have any category, you can add another category, or you can click here to create a category. Then once you put it, you can put the price. It's optional. You could decide to leave it blank. I normally leave it blank. Sometimes I put it because some of these prices are subject to change. Do a short description that is under 1000 words. Then you add a button. The best bet is to add a button that takes you directly to where the customer can buy. So I normally add order online button or buy button. So once you've done that, your product, you save it, and then your product will be live. That is how easy it is to add any of these products. In this section, you write about the services that you offer for your company. If you're opening this for a GNLD as a GNLD distributor, just write your whatever it is that you offer. Like this is what I wrote, and to do that you just to click here and then it takes you to where you can do all these write-up, just like what I've shown you previously. This is not so peculiar to our business because we're not offering really a servicing kind of business. You know, if you're offering a servicing business, maybe you're offering maybe a dentist or something that has to do with services, you have some attributes that you can add. Or if you're offering a kind of hotel business, you add something like your hotel provides Wi-Fi, or your hotel provides accommodation for animals or things like that, attributes. So I'm not really particular about this because of the nature of my business. Over here you describe your business, and here you're going to put in all the keywords you want Google to know exactly what your business is all about. Just do a short description here about your business, about what you sell and all that. And then of course you can add your photos that has to do with your business. It's almost like adding your products. Like if I click here, you see all the photos that I have already added. You can either click here to add photos, or you can click here to add photos. It's the same thing. So if I click here, it takes me to all the photos that I've added in my postings. So these are all the photos I've added. If you want to add any photo, just click here and then you can add your photos. So now we're through with the info section. Once you've added all that you've done, you've done well. The next thing is for you that is most important when it comes to Google My Business listing is post. Now it is so important that you try to post at least 3 to 4 times a week. If you cannot do that, if it's too much, at least twice a week. That means you have to keep updating your Google My Business account. This is so important. What I do is that once I upload a blog post in my website, I now summarize it here and then link it like here. If you click here, it takes you straight to my website. Link there right now. It takes you to my New Life website. Takes you straight to that particular post. You know, I just summarize it and then put the link there. So that's what I do for most of the blog posts that I do here. I now link it to my Google My Business. One thing you need to know is that once you start posting on your Google My Business site, they create automatically a website for you. If you click on website here, it will show you this. You can change this theme the way you want. You can click here and change it to whatever color you want. but me, I want green, so I leave it there. If I want to change it to any of these colors, just click on it, it will change the colors, but I like the one I'm using. I'm okay with it. So see the post. The post is shown here. So whatever post you post, it will be shown on your automatic Google website, and all your posts, your pictures also show up there, and your videos also show up here, and of course your business hours and your phone. So that is automatically done for you. All you have to do is to just change the theme to the color that you want. So essentially that is all there is to setting up your Google My Business site optimally, at least for a beginner. If you can do all that I've said in this video, then you're good to go. So to end it, let me just summarize. First, ensure that you fill in all your information in the info section, and then upload photos of your products. Upload your products and write what those products are. And please do not claim anything when you're writing about your products in Google. Don't claim that it can cure this or that. Just write what the product contents are. You can put a price if you want, or leave it. And then of course post regular posting about your products.